YouTube and welcome to my next video. And today we have a few additions to the channel, including the intro and just overall what will be going on for the next couple weeks, as well as a out the window forecast. So if you didn't notice, there was an intro at the beginning of this video and it was quite amazing. And that intro was made possible by my viewers viewing my videos. So I thank everybody so much. I thank everybody who subscribed, everybody who liked, everybody who did everything. And you can now comment, so that's an extra feature. Today we're going to be talking about mainly rain snow mix in the Northeast, another shot of that, and then just some nice weather. This will be my overall United States forecast, looking at the GFS, and got an area low pressure with that rain snow mix here across upstate New York, Boston, that type of area. Could get in some snow showers this evening. Temperatures will fall off as the evening progresses. Wake up to tomorrow morning, see some 30s and 40s. Warm up throughout the day. Could even get into the 50s there in Boston. And then you get another quick shot of rain there. Could get some rumbles of thunder with that here. That's all going to be on April the 14th. And then that advances offward with some just main snow situation here in New York. A couple inches of accumulation. You get another shot of rain here, April the 19th. And then our severe weather situation will start to evolve. And about that severe weather situation, we're mainly watching the southeast area. It does include Tornado Alley here, for the possibility of quite a prolonged severe weather event coming here into the future. So you get your low here to set up 999. Anytime you see big ridging with this, with the 999, expect some form of severe weather, and we may get that here in surprising areas, maybe all the way down into Maryland and Virginia. You get some rumbles of thunder, some severe weather in that area. Cannot rule that out. Illinois area as well could get some thunderstorms to initiate there. I talked about that last week, and it is looking pretty good there for the Illinois area for some strong thunderstorms to develop. Those advance off into the Maryland area, the Virginia area. Some thunderstorms down here in the Alabama, Tennessee, Georgia, and South Carolina area. Moving through, you get kind of a cool down here. This is near Michigan. Also, watch the timestamps over here if you have any confusion. Continuing through here, get a nice big ridge, some warm air coming north in 150 hours, kind of far out, and then a possible severe weather situation develops. It'll be associated with this area low pressure, producing rounds of severe weather. It is always possible, but after 180 hours, I don't look at this anymore. But it's falling within that range, so you got to watch for it. Here is your total snow accumulation according to the NAM-ST model in the upper New England area. Of course, we are tracking this. You do see some snow develop here, getting about basically an inch to an inch and a half here in this very specific area in New York. Can't rule out a light snow shower there in Boston. The most accumulation will occur in the main area until that second system starts to come through. In the Pacific Northwest, you're kind of looking at the same deal. Light snow, Seattle, not going to get anything. Mountain snow here across Montana, getting up to 8, 9, 10 inches. That'll be associated with that new system that's coming in. Expect the unexpected, folks. There's going to be some snow here in Colorado, mainly in the mountain areas. 1, 2, maybe 3 inches up there. Won't get down to anywhere in the south. Precipitation here. Notice how some of this could be mixed precipitation, not showing up here, but could show up. And just kind of see this kind of cyclone form offshore. Could throw in some more mixed precipitation, heavier snow there occurring in the main area. Oklahoma area, mainly northerly winds, shading the southerly winds throughout the week. Pacific Northwest, light rain, showers, lower elevations, upper elevations, dealing with snowfall. What we're mainly looking at down here is simply a southerly wind with those thunderstorms beginning to initiate. Not an incredible amount of cape there, but enough to initiate thunderstorms. Now it is time for my out the window forecast. So you can clearly see here that light rain showing up on the HRRR. Some elevations there getting light rain. It's getting a little bit higher. You're getting snowfall, especially in that area in New York. And you sort of see that advance off to the main area. Some really, really, really heavy rain could be possible near the Boston area. Borderline snowfall. We're going to have to watch that. And then as that gets up into Maine, could get some higher accumulations there 5 to 6 inches. What you'll be seeing out the window here in the New England area is simply a rain-snow mix for most places. Higher elevations, snow, lower elevations, rain. Out the window in the Pacific Northwest for the next couple, 2 days, 3 days. Higher elevations, snow, lower elevations, rain, showers. Even in the Seattle area, that could be true. Mount Rainier could get some snow showers there. Kind of see that there. California area, out the door, out the window. Just mainly calm. Enjoy the weather. It's going to be nice there in the California area. Finally, everybody, a last look at the weather going on. I want to keep everybody updated. You get your rain snow mix up here in the Northeast. Take that 48 hours out. You get your thunderstorms here in the Illinois area. That's what it'll be looking out the window for you. Go into the New England area, get another wave of rain. That's just going to be rain. Also, some in the Southeast, though. Snow there for the northern Wisconsin, UP, and Michigan area. And then your severe weather situation developing in 180 hours. Southeast out the window for the next 2 days. Very, very calm. Well, thanks everybody for viewing this video. Give it a like, give it a subscribe, give it a comment. It deserves it. I need everybody to stay safe for the next couple days. Not going to be too insane in the severe weather department, but you could get up to those higher elevations. Could get a quick heavy snowfall band or two. Watch out for snow scald warnings in those higher elevations. New England area, that's going to be that rain snow mix. I hope everybody has a good time and goodbye.